Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send Google Meet invitation. First of all, open up your preferred browser and search for meet.google.com. Now tap on the new meeting button at the center and select create a meeting for later. Here you can copy your meeting link and send it to others for invitation. After that, click on new meeting again and select start an instant meeting. Now your online meeting will be started. Here you have the option of copying link and sending it to others. But in order to add members in your meeting, click on this Add Others option. Then search for the target recipient and then click on Invite button to send them an invitation. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.